like me. Ain't cut like these bitches, count up a check in a white tee. Bitch, I'm roll running, I don't give a fuck who beside me. Still the coldest bitch, it don't even matter who bite me. Weak assholes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say I'm so sorry if you guys hear a noise in the background. That's the fun that's next to me. And two, I live with animals. Like, I hope and pray that they stop, and if they do stop, then we Gucci. I know it's been a month since I've posted, so within the whole month I finally got time. So I'm sorry for going ghost on you guys, but I'm trying my best to post as much as I can when I can. So I want to thank you guys who subscribe to my channel and who's new to my channel. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me, for even clicking the subscribe button, for hitting that like button, for commenting, all that good things. Okay, I'm so grateful and I appreciate it. Okay, as you guys can tell from the title, it's an unboxing video. I want to make some new glasses and incorporate more things to my website. So let's get to the unboxing. First thing I'm gonna unbox is this from Amazon. This is my flavoring oils. This is a famous brand that everybody uses. So I'm gonna show you guys the flavorings that I have, and this is how they look inside of the box. So this one is butter rum, English toffee. This one is coconut. This one is cinnamon roll, butterscotch, chocolate, maple, root beer, marshmallow, caramel, peanut butter, and coffee. Now we're just gonna get into this bag. I feel like leave the big. Just feel like my oil. Leave the big box. Okay, grapeseed oil. Okay, and I got this one today in the mail. Oh my god! My tubes is here. Guys, oh my god. Okay, oh my god, yes, I'm loving this. I'm loving it. Okay, because I can already tell and I can already see how these glasses gonna look in these tubes. Like, okay, so as you guys already tell, I already have this set of tubes, but in this is 13 millimeter. Let me compare it. The difference is with this tube it's 10 milliliter, right? 10 milliliter, and this one is 13 milliliter. Like, it's a slight change. It's just a little bit taller than this 10 milliliter. So I have made some clear tubes with the clear caps. The clear stoppers, and of course my 10 milliliter tubes. I bought some more squeeze tubes, and this one is with purple caps. I've been looking all over for these squeeze tubes. I couldn't find these squeeze tubes anywhere. It comes with a syringe, which I won't need a syringe because I got plenty of those, but I'll still use it. It comes with purple caps. As you guys can tell, my brand is purple, so I bought purple. Purple stoppers, and the tubes. These two Well, all these 3 tubes are different sizes. This is 10 milliliter. This is 13 milliliter. And this is 15 milliliter. I've been dying to get my hands on these squeeze tubes for so long. Okay, next I got me some rose petals. This is 100% organic and natural dried red roses petals. Okay, everything I sell is organic, is natural, is homemade, animal cruelty free. Okay, everything I sell. So now I have more flavorings. So this kind is blackberry, black cherry, pineapple, orange cream, grape, pear, peach, blueberry. This is green apple, raspberry, and strawberry kiwi. So I have me some lip liquids that I have here that I want to show you guys for the glosses that I will be making. Chocolate brown, pigment white, and yummy pink. That's the end of the unboxing video, and that's the end of the stuff that I have to rebrand with the new lip glosses that I want to be making. If you guys are interested in wondering what kind of gloss that I have on brownie, and this is brownie in a squeeze tube. Leaves like a brown shiny shimmer glossy tint on your lip, and it's tropical punch scented. And the lash that I have on is Libra, if you guys are interested as well. This is Libra. If you guys are interested in purchasing, this is how Libra look. This is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's short, it's sweet, it's a little simple quick unboxing video because I didn't really order much. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel somewhere down here, also leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.